All right, prospective anchor applicants. We package this video for you to be able to connect seamlessly to the examination site. We monitor our examinations, and then we're able to know what we are doing and give integrity to our examination. The link sent to you will bring you to a page like this. This Google Meet link, and you see ready to join. If it says ask to join, then you need to contact the ICT that they should give you another link so that you'll be able to connect successfully. All right. So with what you have now, you can easily click on join now. When you click on join now, then it will open up and waiting. These are process you need to take before the person that will supervise your work will join you. All right, so you click join now. So please don't wait for the supervisor to come and say that join now, click this, click that. All right, so another essential thing you need to do is this particular button. You see present now, either in Firefox, it might be in Chrome or Edge. It might be saying present now or share your screen. So when they say share your screen, please understand what is meant. It's meant that yes, you click present now so that what you have on your screen will be displayed. All right, another thing you need to note is this particular other one, this one that said chat with everyone. Chat with everyone will make you to be able to receive message and send message to the supervisor. If you have any challenge, you can easily send text message to the supervisor immediately, and the supervisor will also send text message to you immediately. So please understand that. All right, so from there we can send message, and then you see it's opening up. I can open it, I can close it from my side. All right, so when you say present your screen, you try to present your screen and you present the entire screen. Okay, you present the entire screen. So I click screen to share. All right, entire screen. So you click on entire screen, and then it will open up, and once you see infinity mirror, you just said dismiss. You don't mind it, just ignore that. All right, all right, when you ignore it, it will take you to a page. Now before this one will come up, the supervisor will send the link of this page to you. When they send the link of the page to you, you copy and paste on that page. The link is actually exams.aul.edu.ng. all right, and then once I paste like that, you'll be able to see it. You just double click, then right click, and then click on copy, and then you click on the page, and then you paste. Now when we see your page like this, we'll tell you that you close all the other tabs under your page. So but me, I'm working now, so I may not be able to close all. So you will not actually see us. We may not put on our video, but you must put on your video and your mic. All right, if you disable your mic, we'll disqualify you from the test. If you disable your camera, we'll disqualify you. So your system must have the camera active and the microphone active. If any of these two is disabled, then you will be disqualified. Now on this particular CBT page, you need to enter your application number. Please, application number, which is AUL/UG/2024/0 and so on and so forth, something like that. All right, and then the password has already also been sent. Because this is public, we cannot keep on putting everything in the public space. the password has been sent to you. So you need to enter that password so that you'll be able to get connected. And when it opens up, it's supposed to see your name and see your details. I cannot continue further from this. Okay, so you need to see your name and see your details. After that, the examiner will now give you the code. Also through this place, he will send the code to you. When he sends the code to you, the first thing you do is that you click on the Google Meet to be able to see it, copy it, and come back to the exam page and paste it there. All right, so we've discovered these are the little challenges that our prospective students are having for them to be able to have a seamless examination online. So with this, I believe that yes, as we send many of us to this link, we'll be able to follow through and then easily understand the way we're supposed to connect to the online examination page. Thank you very much.